So here's my load of, I guess would be considered paver stones. Load went pretty good. It was actually felt really heavy, so I ended up throwing it on the scale. The load only rung up as 46,000 and change. But she went pretty good. It was a total of 18 pallets. They kind of pissed me off throwing that little pallet up top there. But what are you gonna do? I was gonna have them move it, but then I would have been where the strap comes down a little bit there from that little pallet on top. It would have been a lot more had it been with the other pallet, one of the other pallets. So I just said screw it and let them leave it there. But overall, it was a pretty good run. We got her down to North Carolina, Greensboro, North Carolina. It took them forever to get me unloaded there, but that was that load. Here's the next one. So, got 3 big skid steers, tracks obviously. Heading up to, well, basically Louisville. Get them tied down and start making our way up. There we go, all done. Not exactly the way I'd really want to do it, but I have enough binders for that. About a 30,000 pound load. They run between 9 and 10,000. I guess that big one on the back is over 10,000. That one's right around 10,000. This is just under 10,000. So now it's time to make it up to Kentucky. Unfortunately, it's only 600 and something miles. I'll be up there tomorrow. Now I'm going to be sitting all weekend, which isn't a huge problem because I'll be doing some. Fucking gloves are soaked. Oh. I'll be doing some stuff on the truck. I gotta put a light back on. I gotta grease the 5th wheel. Everything's soaking wet. When it comes to this weather, I'd rather have snow than rain. That'll be fine for a few minutes. So that's pretty much it. You guys seen the load of bricks that I did? I didn't get any footage of that being unloaded. But it's crappy weather just like it is now, so. Anyway, we're going to start, we're going to get the paperwork and then we're going to start making our way up to Kentucky.
You have 5 hours and 51 minutes of remaining drive time.
So that's it for now. So that concludes our day. I said it was 600 and something miles up to Kentucky.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
But it was only 5 something. 550, somewhere around 550. I thought it was like 650. It was a pretty good run. We ran into a bunch of snow. A bunch of snow that came down in North Carolina. Just before I got to Virginia, it stopped. But a little while there, right where I put that picture, it got pretty bad. Not bad, but everybody started panicking. It started sticking to the roads a little bit, so everybody dropped down to 35 miles an hour for a little bit there. I had to end up passing a couple cars, move back over, a couple minutes later, I'd have to pass two more, and it was just blotches of people that were slowing down in groups. Otherwise, it was pretty good. We finishing the day here in Cattlesburg, Kentucky, at the Flying J. I got 183 miles that I'm gonna run tomorrow. We sleep in a little bit in the morning, and I gotta grab a few things out of here. Just some grease. Yeah, just some grease. And maybe stop off at a Walmart and grab some laundry detergent. And that's it. I should be back on Tuesday. Put up another video from Monday. Hope everybody has a good weekend, and for everybody that's out there driving, stay safe, and we'll catch you guys later. See ya.